Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to restrict group chat on Messenger. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type right here, Messenger, right? And I'm going to double check if my Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down right here. If you want to restrict a group conversation on your Messenger, go to the group chat that you want to hit, scroll down to the chat option. As of February 2024, there is ignore the message feature, or you could just go ahead and you're gonna see a restrict button under the block button in the group chat, and then you can restrict this group chat on your Messenger. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.